I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to have you here. And today I'm going to share my festive skincare prep. I will talk about my top 5 skincare products that I bought from Tira. I love shopping from Tira because they have so many brands and they give really good discounts. Also currently Tira has exciting offers going on. To know about that more, please watch the video till the end. So yeah, let's start. So first I have this Beauty of Joseon cleansing balm. I love this so much. I have almost emptied it and I bought another one. This is a really good cleansing balm. It melts makeup, sunscreen so easily, doesn't leave any residue, feels so silky and non-sticky, doesn't feel too greasy, but it melts makeup effortlessly. When I travel I carry this and yeah, it doesn't sting my eyes, which is a big plus. It removes my eye makeup so easily because I don't like to rub my eyes too much. For that it helps. Also it gives this nice glow, which I really like. This is a fragrance-free formulation and yeah, love this one, this cleansing balm. And for festive season where I'm gonna do makeup and I need to remove it properly as well to take care of my skin, there it helps a lot. I love using face masks during festive seasons and this is my favorite. This is Conscious Chemist Berry Bright and it has gel texture. It feels so hydrating and lightweight. It brightens up my skin. I use this once or twice in a week. It gives me the glow. It has niacinamide, glycerin, centella, berry, and love this. So affordable and so good. Then I had this Centella ampule from Skin 1004. This is a good one, a great one actually. If you want a simple, no-nonsense serum for your skincare routine that soothes your skin, that hydrates, it can be it. They have different sizes of this. They have 30 ml, 50 ml, this is 100 ml. And yeah, I think this is my third purchase and I am loving this. For skincare prep also this is very good. If you're using makeup, before that you can use this. It's fragrance free as well. Then I have a lightweight moisturizer. This is great if you want gel moisturizers that don't feel too heavy, sticky. This is Plum's 2% niacinamide and rice water moisturizer. This is so good. You can use this every day. Also before your makeup, before your sunscreen, it works so well because texture is so quick absorbing. It absorbs just like that, but it hydrates my skin so beautifully, locks the moisture and gives me dewy radiant skin, which I really love. And this is fragrance free as well. Lastly, I have this Lipcerin from Belif because you're going to be applying lipsticks during this festive season, so you need to prep your lips. This preps my lips so well. If you have dry lips, you're gonna love it. It has been formulated like this so that it exfoliates, brightens and nourishes your lips all at once and so easy to use. See, the packaging is so good, so hygienic and travel friendly. You can carry this everywhere. Love the texture, so nourishing and it does the job. It's gonna give you glowy, hydrated, soft lips. Also great for lip preps before you use your lipsticks. So you can get all these products at amazing discounts on Tira's Big Beauty Party. You will get your favorite beauty brands up to 50% off, and that's not all. There are exciting coupons. Also there are exciting offers every day. Also you can use my code SHAMAPTI600 for additional discount. So this is a great time to restock your vanity and I hope you make the most of this. And yeah, I hope it helps. See you very soon then. Bye bye. Take care.